string, papers, and stories.
So here we start with the preliminary fold. We've done this a few times before if you've been watching these videos. Corner to corner and side to side, and the last side to side you turn over, and that gives you a multiplication cross and a plus cross in the middle, and then you can fold all the points together to make the preliminary fold. So if you need to know more about that, it's explained earlier, but that's what you're doing. Now open it out again, and this time fold the bottom, not all the way to the center, but maybe 3/4 of the way up to the center. And you're going to do the same with the top point, 3/4 of the way come down towards the center. So there's a gap between the two of them. And then allow the whole thing to fold up again, just as you had before. And now you'll find you have two legs coming down and two sides. That's going to be the size of the tree. Lift one flap over and then fold it into the center line, leaving a little gap there, and don't fold it too tight because we're going to have to fold the other side over to meet it, and then we're going to fold the first side back again to hold it all in place. That's one side done, and as so often before, we repeat it. Fold one side over towards the center, crease it down, and then fold the other side into the center, and then you're going to fold back the original flap, and that is the tree we're going to use for this model. Now we need to have the mite, and that's where the scissors come in. You're going to cut out a tiny version of the original thing we had, which was called a preliminary base. But if you cut at a little line like this, so it's a little right angle cut there, and you cut out the very top like so, and I'll show you what it looks like. It's quite tiny, but if you open it out, you can see it's the same pattern as we started with. Okay, there it is. Yeah, same pattern. Fold it up again, and you're going to slip it into the two legs to hold it in place. So this is a little bug, and you're slipping the little edges there. It's a little bit tricky, but get it in so it goes one on one side and one on the other. And when you've got it in, here we are. See, one goes in there and one goes in there. That's it. And flatten it down, and you're almost ready to start. I push it up so it's just touching the tree. It makes it easier to go. And you'll see it's the same on the other side. So here we go. Now hold one leg in one hand and one leg in the other hand, and gently jiggle up and down. And you see it's disappeared. It's gone up the tree, and it's hiding in the tree just now. But if you keep jiggling and get the right rhythm to it, you should find that the little bug climbs all the way up to the very top of the tree. You should be able to see him. There he is, and out he comes. So that's the little bug climbing the tree. Bye now.